go on. Neither do I, mate. I don't know why you've done it either.
Thank you.
I'm driving down here responding to a G1, and now I can't because I'm dealing with you. Yeah, you could have killed me, mate.
Yeah,
An emergency response.
sorry about that.
Look at that. Look at the damage you've done to my car. No, look at the damage you've done to my car. Look at that. Yeah, that's now a car off the road. So this car can't respond to any emergencies.
I'm sorry.
Right, the time is 00:43, mate, and you're under arrest on suspicion of criminal damage. Do not say anything. When we harm your defence, if you want to mention when questions, which you later rely in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.